Hey everyone, welcome back to Rohana Reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at GetResponse, one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there. In this review, I'll go over its features, pricing, automation, and overall ease of use, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your business. And if you're interested, check out the discount link in the description for the latest deals. Let's start with what GetResponse is all about. It's marketed as an all-in-one marketing platform, and it certainly packs a lot of features. You get email marketing, automation, landing pages, webinars, and even a built-in CRM. But does it actually deliver on all fronts? Let's find out. One of the first things I noticed when using GetResponse is how easy it is to navigate. The dashboard is simple, and you can quickly jump into whatever feature you need. For example, if you want to create a newsletter, you just click the email marketing section, enter your campaign details, and choose from one of their many mobile-friendly templates. If you prefer designing your own email, the drag-and-drop editor makes customization a breeze. You can add text, images, buttons, and even dynamic content to personalize your emails further. Another strong point of GetResponse is its automation workflows. Automation is crucial for running efficient email campaigns, and GetResponse does a fantastic job with this. You can set up workflows for welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and subscriber segmentation. The best part? It's all visual and drag and drop, making it super easy to create even complex sequences. However, keep in mind that full automation features are only available in the Plus plan and higher, so if you're on the basic plan, you might feel a bit limited. Now, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers several plans, and as expected, the higher tier plans unlock more features. The basic plan includes email marketing and automation, but if you want advanced segmentation, webinars, or e-commerce integrations, you'll need to go for the Plus or Professional plans. While the pricing is competitive, some users might find the higher plans a bit expensive, especially compared to other email marketing services. Performance-wise, GetResponse does quite well. It has solid deliverability rates, meaning your emails are more likely to land in inboxes rather than spam folders. Their analytics and reporting tools give you insights into open rates, click rates, and overall campaign performance. You can even compare different campaigns side by side to see what's working best. One of my favorite features is the landing page builder. If you don't have a website or want to create high-converting pages for your campaigns, this tool comes in handy. It's fully customizable, offers templates, and integrates seamlessly with GetResponse's email and automation tools. Now, what about customer support? GetResponse provides 24/7 support via live chat and email, which is great if you need quick assistance. Their knowledge base is also quite extensive, offering detailed guides and tutorials to help you get the most out of the platform. So, is GetResponse worth it? If you're looking for a powerful email marketing platform with great automation, landing pages, and CRM features, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. It's user-friendly, offers strong deliverability, and has some of the best automation tools in its category. The only downsides? Some features are locked behind higher tier plans, and pricing might be a bit steep for small businesses. If you're thinking about giving GetResponse a try, check out the special discount link in the description to get the best available deals. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.